This is the LEGO 40648 Money Tree set, one of the many released annually for Chinese New Year. With 336 pieces for $40 Australian, 25 American dollars or 25 euros, this set has a price-to-piece ratio of 7.4 American cents per piece, a truly magnificent number in the modern era, with most modern sets clocking in at over 10 US cents per piece, over 16 Australian cents. The set features a plant known as a money tree, I think because of the red envelopes containing money, and is traditionally decorated for Chinese New Year. In this set, 1x2 tiles represent red envelopes, and 2x2 rounded tiles represent gold decorations, with pumpkins as the berries of the tree. The tree stands in a well-shaped pot, using a number of snot techniques, and has a well-crafted base. The central trunk of the tree is too square, though, and the tree elements for the leaves look a little odd, especially with the 2x2 corner slopes at the top. As well as this, the diverse range of browns, being reddish brown, dark brown, and medium nougat make the tree trunk seem a little messy. One positive aspect is its stability. It has a Technic axle running through the middle, so this tree trunk won't be breaking easily, although leaves could come off. This set comes with a fair few extra parts, including 3 of the plant stems, and 3 of the gold pieces. Most of the time, we get 1 or 2 of each part in the spare parts of a set, so 3 is a real treat. Whilst overall, this tree looks fine from afar, this is one of those cases where the sum of the parts is greater than the whole. This set includes 20 pumpkins, 10 printed gold pieces, and 14 red envelopes, as well as 2 turquoise 1x6 bricks, which is quite a rare color. I'm parting out this set to add the parts to my collection, to go towards future mocks. As I deconstruct this, I'm sorting the parts into groups based on color. Later, I'll be showing you how I sort them into my parts collection. Here, the blue Technic axle is exposed. This is what supports most of the structural integrity of the build. I'll be using the pumpkins probably in some sort of pumpkin patch or farm mock, the gold pieces to perhaps decorate an Eastern temple, and the red envelopes as Nepalese prayer flags, perhaps to decorate a future mountain mock in the adventurer's layout. These leaves will be useful for trees, and so will the well-shaped base of the tree. As for the pot, I'm planning on changing it into a small fishing or sailing boat. Overall, even though the tree looks a bit odd, and the build was a bit finicky and repetitive, this set is well worth it for its great parts and great price. If you want to see more videos like this one, remember like and subscribe if you haven't already.